Today's video tutorial, I'll show you how to have your inserted text move on different parts of your video using the keyframe tool. So I'm talking about something like this here, and this is the VN Video Editor app. Let's get started. So be sure to have the latest update of the VN Editor app. And first, we'll start off by inserting a text. You will be doing that too. You're going to go right here and go to text, and then insert any one of these. You can choose from one of these here or just a simple text, okay? So for me now, I'm gonna go ahead and say, as you saw earlier, move me, okay? Then you can just go ahead and just choose the color that you want. You can use any of the other custom settings here, so I'll just keep it simple for now. Then the next thing you wanna do is, of course, adjust the size of it after you've made your changes to the style and color, and place it at the starting point as to where you want your text to start moving from, okay? So for me, I want my text to go in a zigzag like that here, okay? And you'll just leave it like that here. The next thing is you wanna set the time duration as to how long you want this to be playing on its own, okay? So we're gonna have from the beginning point here, you can tap on a tab here and set it to beginning. Okay, this is not giving me a chance here. And then, there you go. And then you can adjust as to how long you want your text to play, okay? You can pull on the tabs here. Notice how I'm pulling on a tab here. Okay, so you want it to play on its own from here, and it'll tell you how much seconds or the minutes it is from here, okay? Now, once you've made these setup change, you'll now start with the keyframe. So you wanna start from the very beginning where the white bar is here. And you'll start by selecting keyframe. Once you tap on that one time, this is it right here, okay? So once you have this selected here, you'll see these tools here. I'll show you now. So I'll tap here and you'll see the keyframe. I'll tap on that one time and you'll notice the diamond right here in the middle. So you're gonna start by moving the timeline first, okay? So it's timeline first, then keyframe, okay? So when I move the timeline here, I'm telling the text now that from here to this point here, I want this text to move from here to here, okay? And you'll notice every time I move it, it'll create a diamond point for me, which is the keyframe point for me, okay? So again, move the timeline first, and then we'll move the text to the next point you want it to be. Now, the VN editor is kind of on a glitchy side sometimes. If it falls back like that on its own, just pull it back. Okay. And then we'll start again to the next point, move the timeline. Then I'll place it back up here. Okay, so if it's doing that for you, just pull it back again, okay? Then we'll move it again, and then we'll come back here down like that. Then we'll do it again, the next point. Just make sure it stays up there. And then we'll bring it down to the last point. Okay, and you can just choose how you want it to be. Okay, and then once you're done, you can now go back and see all the key points, okay? You see all the diamond points here, and then you can go ahead and play it now, and then you should have something like this. All right? And it's playing across the video, moving on its own. And that's basically how you would go about doing it. Like and sub.